These are solutions to Malham's Math 110C, Calc 3, quiz number 1. Right, so we're given the center as negative 3, 1, 6, so that automatically means the left-hand side is going to be x minus a negative 3 squared, x plus 3 squared, plus y minus 1 squared, plus z minus 6 squared. Okay, and then I need to find the radius. So to find the radius, I need the distance formula from negative 3, 1, 6 to 5, negative 2, 4. Okay, so that's going to be the square root of the difference of each of these components. So negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. Squared, you get 64. 1 minus a negative 2 is 3. Squared, you get 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. Squared, you get 4. So the radius is radical 77. The right-hand side is r squared, so r squared is simply 77. So the answer is x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared plus z minus 6 squared is equal to 77. And again, you had a problem just like that in the homework. All the problems were something very similar to homework problems. Okay, number 2, to find a unit vector, you just take any vector and divide it by its magnitude. So I just need to divide negative 6, 2, 3 by its magnitude, which is the square root of this thing squared plus this thing squared plus this thing squared. So I square each of these. Negative 6 squared is 36. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. Add them all up. Square root of 49, which is 7. So the unit vector in the same direction is negative 6 sevenths, 2 sevenths, 3 sevenths. Number 3, find the angle between two vectors. So the formula is cosine of theta is a dot b over magnitude of a, magnitude of b. Sometimes we say norm, N-O-R-M. It kind of looks like absolute value, but it's magnitude or sometimes length or norm. Okay, so dot product, a dot b. So 1 times 5 is 5. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Add them all up, you get negative 9. And then the bottom is magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So magnitude of A is the square root of 1 squared plus negative 2 squared plus 4 squared. That's 1 plus 4 plus 16, which is radical 21. And the magnitude of B is the square root of 5 squared, 25, plus 1 squared, 1, plus negative 3 squared, 9. And it's radical 35. So negative 9 over radical 735. So I have cosine theta is negative 9 over radical 735. So to find a cosine, that's the cosine of theta. So theta is the inverse cosine of that quantity. So inverse cosine of negative 9 over radical 735. And the answer is about 109 degrees. Okay, so that was quiz number 1 for Calc 3.